Hello guys, welcome back to my blog. This is my blog number 4. Today I'm going to be packaging my orders. Thank you everyone for supporting me on my last shop update. I'm so happy that a lot of people bought a lot of stuff and really supporting me, so thank you for that. And please stay tuned because at the end of the video, I will be showing you a little bit of the process of how I do my polymer clay charm. And here there are freebies. I mean, who doesn't love cute sticker, right? So here are some of the charms that I have on my last shop updates. I thought I would show you one by one because I don't know, I just think they are cute. Oh, this one, Marina, I love her so much. She's basically my favorite Animal Crossing character. And here we have more mushroom. Oh, this bee. Oh, the bee is so cute. I still need to crochet a bee. Here we go. Bye, Marina. Bye, the bee. I haven't written a lot of thank you cards, but going forward, I'm going to try to do more of this. I always like to write the customer name on the packages just to make sure that I don't mix stuff up. And it's time for more freebies. I actually collect a lot of sticky notes. I have a bunch of them with different kind of styles, and I actually did not make these, but I just like to buy them, and I also enjoy giving them out as gift. However, the stickers, I made these. So I will be saying goodbye to Hiro the Shiba today. He's being adopted. Bye, Hiro. Here's the Daisy the frog. She is also adopted and will be leaving me to another sweet home. And lastly, Blue the bunny, which is my favorite, honestly, just because she's so fluffy. And now it's time for polymer clay. I think one of the hardest part is to basically massage the clay enough such that it's soft enough for me to sculpture it into different shapes. I always like to knead the clay in a smaller chunks or pieces because I feel like my fingers don't really have enough power. I'm not very strong, so this makes it a lot easier for me to kind of mix the color in a smaller piece. And because I'm trying to make a few of the Blue the bunny charms, I want them to all be the same exact color. So I'm going to mix all of the smaller pieces into a bigger one just to make sure that the color is uniform. So another hard part of making the polymer clay is to keep the clay clean. I have a lot of struggle in this because compared to crocheting doesn't need to be kept clean, if you know what I mean. I mean, there could be dust on it and it doesn't really affect the pieces as how it would affect the clay pieces. So I try to remove all the dust as much as I can during the process. As you can see, I'm using a crochet hook to help me kind of blend in the inner ear pieces, the white part as you can see, to the blue part. I actually don't have the correct tool for the polymer clay, but I'm just trying to use whatever I have. I also want to add the fluffiness to the ear, just like how the original blue design was like. So to add the fluffy texture, I basically just kind of use my needle to kind of create that texture slowly. And here's how it looks when it's finished. So now we are at the end of this video. I would like to thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope that you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you.